Start by selecting the History tab, then refer to all the tabs. Search by month, search by date range, and search by option. Then go to Search by month. Click on the Live Booking option and select the month and year. Then click on Get History. Review each section under the Record Found section. Then click on View. Then select Manage Booking and click on Cancel. Then under the Cancel type, choose one option as per the traveler's requirements. Click on the original destination. Once checked, click on Continue. Then select the suitable cancellation reason and continue. Now review your booking to be cancelled. Once done, click on Cancel Information box appears. Read and click OK. That's it.